Welcome to this course. My name is Khalil Ibrahim. I'm a chief designer and WordPress expert, and I've worked in many international advertising agencies, and I will be your instructor for this course. Let's check it out. In this course, we will be creating clean, creative, and modern design in a very easy way using the latest techniques in WordPress, the Elementor page builder, drag and drop tool using absolutely free methods. And here is how it looks like to design with Elementor, drag and drop, and you're done. And even customize your layout that easy, sliding your columns or your sections. And here is what we're gonna design in our very dynamic website. Discussing design theories and rules. Learning how to do a clean and creative design in a very practical way. Including our email opt-in form, testimonial section, and image slider. Moving to our About Us page, including counters, progress bars, and features section. Then we have our Contact Us page with a clean and beautiful design, including our contact form and Google Maps. Then we're gonna learn how to create our online store and everything about establishing an e-commerce store, including tax, shipping, sales, and even how to create discount coupons. And even with Elementor, we're gonna be taking our blog posting experience to the next level. Then when we finish our website, we'll learn how to make it HTTPS for high security and for trustworthy, and how to put a trust seal, how to increase our website performance, and how to customize our search engine optimization, SEO ranking for our website. Then we will learn how to make an official website email for looking professional, and how to do a site backup for any emergencies. So let's start building our website. It's gonna be fun, and see you next lesson.